Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great week. I was out of town last week, so no blog article. We missed that. Sorry about that. Um, anyway, this week we're going to talk about some developments that are going on in the markets and that have a direct effect on the commercial real estate world and industry. And the first, I mean, you can't really get away from the fact that we've had a few major bank failures and bailouts recently, and that has totally disrupted a lot of the banking industry and caused a lot of uncertainty. Obviously, the first one that kind of caught everybody by surprise was the Silicon Valley Bank failure that kind of came out of nowhere, and in a few days was effectively gone. And then we've had Signature and Credit Suisse both get effectively bailed out. And what that does is create, a rising uncertainty in the debt markets and makes everything just tighter. Whether that is because of, banks are required to have higher ratios, or they just get, more nervous about and more conservative about what loans they're lending out. Overall, the uncertainty creates tightness in the debt market and fewer debt opportunities out there for to be occurring. And on top of that, we have, I think it was March 22nd, we had another 25 basis point increase in the interest rates by the Fed. And the Fed says, okay, our goal is to target inflation, and we want to get it to 2%. I think the last 12-month report on interest rates was 6%. So theoretically, they still have a long way to go. We could continue to see more interest rate hikes in the near future, I should say. So what you have is uncertainty in the debt markets because of the bank failures and increased interest rates, and this has just caused such tightening in lending that it puts people and puts buyers and sellers and property owners in a tough position. For buyers, I think it's all that's going to sort of play out as in rising interest cap rates and obviously decreased value in properties. And I think we're starting to see that in the markets now. In addition, you could really start to see some current owners being put in a bad spot if they're going to need to refinance these properties anytime in the near future. There's going to be very little debt out there to get, and the debt that's available is at a pretty high interest rate. As a result, you could see some property owners have some pretty distressed assets out there, which obviously could provide opportunity for buyers. But it all leads to a really lot of uncertainty in the commercial real estate markets right now. I think it's just my opinion. I'm not the super expert on this, but it seems like there's a lot of uncertainty out there in the markets, and that could lead to some interesting times in real estate. I hope you like this blog entry. Please subscribe to our blog, our YouTube channel, and our podcast, Greater Texas Podcast. Hope you like it. Talk to you later.